Hello everyone, my name is Andy. Today is Monday, August 7th. Time is around 6:10 GMT, and we will have a look at the DAX futures on the Oanda platform. So in my weekend analysis, I explained you that I'm looking now at two scenarios. They're also indicated here on the graph. If you want to have more details on this, please have a look at that video. But in short, I can say the scenario in green is the scenario where our wave 4 low was in here, that we are now ready for more upside, and that we had a wave 1 here, that we now did the wave 2. From here, we should then turn and start a wave 3. And the scenario in red would be that our wave 4 low here was not in yet, and that we take out this low, and that we then have an expanded flat structure here. So that we go down here in 3 as wave A, 1, 2, 3. Then this B here is a corrective structure. And then from here, we should have 5 waves down. 1, 2, 3, 4, 5 to end this wave C, and to end this wave 4. And when the wave 4 is in, we can then see again more upside as a wave 5. So if you want to have more details on this, please have a look at my weekend analysis. For now, we will analyze this part here in the two scenarios. What we can see here is already some upwards momentum, and that's interesting because usually price goes where momentum goes, but of course it can also be just that does not mean that wave 3 will start here. It can also be that we just have a temporary push up and then go further down again. But therefore, let's have a look in the 1 hour. Like also here, you can see this upwards momentum. So let's see what this exactly brings. But to have a better view, we better immediately go to the 15 minutes, where we can analyze in more detail. So this here is the wave 4 low. This here is our new high. So either as a wave 1 or as a wave B, depending on which scenario you take. And so let's first start with the scenario in green. So usually in green, I indicate my primary scenario, in red my secondary scenario. But here I have to say I do not really favor one or the other. I think it's a 50-50 chance that the scenarios play out. So I do not really have a strong bias for the green one or the red one. I think both can play out. So first, let's have a look at the green one. So then we have our wave 1 high here, and then we need a wave 2 correction, which is then probably ongoing. So we are already in the area of our wave 2. So normally a wave 2 goes in the area here. If we take the length of wave 1, then the wave 2 goes into the area between the 0.5 and the 0.854 FIB retracement. This is what happens here. And so far I labeled this as a WXY pattern because I believe there is an ABC here, which forms the first leg as a W, then a wave X to the upside, shallow wave X. But then here, this is, we should have another ABC down here. yeah, like first of all, I believe this here can be an interesting buy area because like if we take the length of this wave W, this wave X, then we know that our wave Y should end here between the 1 and the 1.618 FIB extension. Of course, we cannot go below this low here, otherwise this scenario is invalidated. Our wave 2 cannot go beyond the start of our wave 1. So the invalidation level is actually here for everything I'm saying now. So this is the area where our wave Y should go. This upper boundary also coincides with the lower boundary of our wave 2 here. And then, yeah, maybe we can also like already like determine this wave C here. Like if we take the length of our wave A, the length of our wave B, then our area for our wave C should be here. And then again, this wave C area coincides with this wave Y area, the upper boundary, the lower boundary of this wave 2 area. So yeah, I believe from this area here we can expect some upward pressure, either as be it a wave 3 or something else. Then so at the one hand, this looks like an interesting area to buy if the bullish scenario plays out. This is also your invalidation level, so you have a clear setup here. And now let's look at the bearish scenario. So that would mean that we do an impulse down, because if this is our wave B, we need here a wave C. And so I started to label the impulse here, and I believe this then should be our wave 1. And now we are doing something corrective, like our wave 2 is in here, and we will see more downside as a wave 3. Then yeah, if you want to buy here, if the bearish scenario plays out, we can simply smash this low here if we have a wave 3 to the downside. So yeah, that's why, like, at the one hand this is an interesting buying area, but at the other hand there's also some risks involved. Like if the bearish scenario plays out, then we have a wave 3 here to the downside. So therefore, if you buy here, yeah, I would just really wait for like 5 waves down as a wave C ending with divergence. Once you're in, protect your trade early. If you're stopped out without loss, that's okay. You can always catch it lower or see which data we get next. Because yeah, if this is a wave 3, then this level will probably not hold here. So yeah, this bearish scenario you cannot really buy yet. I believe we need more data. We need to see where exactly we will end here as a wave 4. but there might be a short opportunity in this in this bearish scenario, in the sense that maybe our wave two is not in yet. So that would mean that yeah, we could expect some upside today. Like if we get a clear corrective structure to the upside here, as an ABC, then yeah, we can define like an area somewhere here where a wave two should go to create a short to the downside as a wave three. So this is what I see for today in the DAX. So yeah, I think both scenarios can play out, the bullish one and the bearish one. For the bullish one, I believe there is a buying area somewhere here, because a lot comes together here, a lot of areas from where we can expect a reaction to the upside. And in the bearish one, I believe then somewhere here, if we have a clear corrective pattern here as a wave two to the upside, this might be then a short opportunity. Okay, that's my analysis for today. If you enjoyed it, please like, subscribe, comment to support my work, and I see you tomorrow for another video. Have a nice day. Bye bye.